Most human beings believe that after they have reached their goals and dreams, they will be satisfied and fulfilled. The law of assumption takes the opposite approach, stating that if we behave and feel as if our objectives and dreams have been realized, they will come true. Simply put, the law of assumption suggests that what we believe to be true will be proven to be true. You always go to the end, and the end is where you begin. So, how can we put the law of assumption into action? The creator and primary pioneer of the law of assumption, Neville Goddard, stated, "Always go to the end and imagine ahead of your evidence." Now let's imagine you're looking for a certain job. Make the assumption you have that job. How does it make you feel? What kind of personality do you have? Bring this to life in your mind as vividly as possible. It does not matter if your current reality contradicts your imagination. Set away your doubts and limiting thoughts. Your imagination is a strong and creative mind. If you can continuously imagine something, it will eventually become a reality. This is an idea of the law of assumption in action. The subconscious cannot recognize between reality and imagination. It believes that your thoughts and feelings are true. Feelings automatically come from what we believe to be true, and it is these feelings that serve as the trigger for bringing your ideas to reality. It will manifest in your reality if you can feel and accept it and do it consistently. Affirmations are effective tools for reprogramming the subconscious mind. By repeatedly saying positive affirmations, we can transform our mind and how we feel about ourselves and our reality. The idea here is to repeat affirmations with an honest and focused mind. Visualize yourself actually doing what you're affirming. Imagine this as if it's happening right now. Imagine yourself completing the goal you want to manifest. You are the one who is experiencing what you are affirming. Now, let's do the practice with law of assumption affirmation. Repeat these words with concentrated thoughts and imagine yourself actually accomplishing that which you are affirming. My imagination is the creator of my reality. There is nothing that I can't have, be, or do. I am a winner. My desires are manifesting. I am healthy and strong. My financial resources are endless and abundant. What I desire, I receive. What I wish for, I receive. What I feel, I manifest. What I imagine, I create. I have the job of my dreams. My desires are manifesting. No one but me determines my destiny. I am focused and persistent. Continue to practice these affirmations before bed and when you wake up, and you will realize that it is possible to remodel your destiny in harmony with your desires. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.